Hello, and thanks for joining me. Today I want to catch up on my March Apothecary at Home box, which I haven't even opened yet. So let's dive right in. Apothecary at Home is a monthly herbal subscription box and one of the best boxes out there. I absolutely love it. And so March is, oops, sorry about that. March is Botanical Beauty. So as I've mentioned in our other videos, this is jam-packed with information. Herbal monographs, which tells you all about the herbs. Lots of information there. There are a lot of recipes. There is some video resources and some suggestions for further study. And then it also tells you what's coming next month. And so for April, we'll be looking at Wild Woman Wellness. So that sounds cool. These are great. They're full of information. And next we have the beautiful artwork that Shannon's mom paints. And they're always beautiful. They're on thick cardstock, so you could frame them, or you could use photo corners and add them to your journal. You can use them, as I do sometimes, to as a guide for my own drawings in my journal. And they are very beautiful. So this is what we'll be getting this. Can you see that? Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, the next thing that we have in the box is our labels, which you know we always get. Oops, sorry, I'm not sure where to put my box. I'm running out of space here. So we have our labels. We have Dirtbag Beauty, Let It Go. Glowing, smooth, and soft vegan facial mask for all skin types. We have Good Morning Beautiful. This one I'll need my reading glasses for. Okay. Uplifting, energizing, promotes happiness. Use for rise and shine, travel, sweaty adventures, working out at the office, glamping, or camping in the wild. So that is an essential oil wipe. Next we have, from the Loose Leaf Tea Company, we have Hair Stimulation Tea. That sounds interesting. And that contains organic peppermint, organic horsetail, organic rosemary, organic sage, organic nettle, and organic oat straw. Brews 4 to 5 cups from the Loose Leaf Tea Company. Those are always great. And then we have some rosemary seeds. Wonderful to start your own medicinal garden. And then we have our macerating jars, and this month they're clear again. These are great to be brewing small quantities of things to see if you like it, if you're going to use it. Next we have, oh, pretty, a beautiful cobalt blue bottle, and there's also a sprayer here, so we're going to be making some sort of a spray. That's pretty awesome. Love it. I really love the variety of jars and bottles that you get. And then we have, oh, a very large cobalt blue dropper bottle. Awesome. Awesome. I'm getting such a nice variety of jars and bottles. I love it. It's those little things. And then we have our 2 straining muslin bags. We have, of course, our cornstarch compostable packing peanuts, and we have 2 ounces of rosemary. This is jam-packed. We have 2 ounces of horsetail, and that is also jam-packed. And then we have 1 ounce of our bonus herb, which is gotu kola. That's actually pretty packed too for 1 ounce. And that is awesome. Of course, we have our health disclaimer, which you always want to pay attention to. As I mentioned, the compostable packing peanuts. And that was it for this box. But I'm truly thrilled with every box I receive. If you're trying to build your apothecary, you cannot go wrong because you get this nice quantity of herbs. You get a beautiful selection of different bottles and jars. You get recipes. These bottles and jars are an indication of what kind of recipes we might be making from our booklet here. So that's really cool. You get the tea samples. I just can't say enough about this box. If you want to get into herbalism, or dabble or just learn more, as I've mentioned before, this isn't all you get with the apothecary at home. You get all the education behind it via the plant circles and the Zoom classes, and every one of these herbs will be touched on and talked about, as well as herbal botanical beauty in general. You seriously cannot go wrong with this box. If you're looking for something like this, this is the one you want. So I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon.